third-generation wireless network with more speed work for quality information in smartphones. 1G refers to old cell phone, 2G refers to typing text, 3G refers to wireless online, and 4G refers to what you enjoy now. Because of more users come online, 4G cannot reach there, so they introduced 5G wireless, the new generation. It can have a speed 1000 times more than 4G, 10 times faster than it. 5G is the base Internet of Things, virtual reality, and many more. What is 5G exactly? There are new 5 latest technology used in 5G: millimeter waves, small cell, massive MIMO, beamforming, and full-duplex. First technology, millimeter waves. Smartphone and other electronic devices use frequency waves under 6 GHz. It starts getting crowded on the frequency, and when more devices come online, it's going more traffic and slower. The solution is introducing a new way so that they get more space than before. Millimeter waves cannot travel in some areas, so they started up with technology 2, small cell networks. Today, wireless needs more power to broadcast over long distance, but sometimes it cannot travel through obstacles. Small cell network is helpful in this. It's a low power base station everywhere. The base station sends signal to the towers, and then they give signal to the wireless devices. Technology 3, Massive MIMO. Massive MIMO stands for Multiple Input, Multiple Output. It helps to move signals very fast. The question is, what's better, 4G or 5G? Answer in the comment section below. Technology 4, beamforming. Beamforming is something just like a traffic light. It can send in focus to a specific user. Technology 5, full-duplex. Full-duplex earlier, like walkie-talkie, you need to wait till he finishes and then you respond, which like the radio waves, and backward along the same frequency.